Just having our morning fill-up of diesel and kerosene into our Pocari there. It smells good, but it's this little bad boy over here which keeps us so nice and warm at night.
Too warm at times.
Sometimes it's a little too warm. We do officially have the warmest room in the house.
As you can tell, look.
Yeah, exactly. And like nothing on our feet. Look at this.
And it's like -1 outside.
Atashakur.
Oh, I wish I knew Farsi.
Just the early morning view of where we are. Today is Friday, which is kind of like Sunday here, so it's a bit more chilled. So no one's really working, which means that we can't really drive out anywhere, which means it's time for us to take advantage of this incredible weather and I think go for a walk up in the mountains. One of the best ways to relax on the weekend is just to engage in some dog fighting.
We're just trekking in the mountains, gonna find some nice snowy shots. Hopefully what it will be a good interview. Here's the team. They're a bit slow, especially the one on the back. Takes flipping ages. This is Mr. Baker, Extreme Explorer.
I would like to say something, but I am too out of breath, but totally worth it.
Just made it to the top of a small mountain in comparison to the mountains behind us. In Afghanistan, it's very beautiful.
And we're breathing really heavily.
Because it's really high altitude
and our hearts are pounding.
We've spent the last few days going to visit villages to meet some families who have got newborn babies thanks to people who support the MS World Mission.
Yeah, and we're really excited to go and meet some more in the next coming days. Your behind the scenes is going to be amazing.
Isn't Belgium beautiful? I still can't tell you where I am.
So they're just the guys. They conquered the hill.
We did, we nailed it.
Where are we?
It's kind of hard to see, but somewhere over there on top of that rock straight out of the Lion King is Jake. Let's see if we can slowly zoom in on him. There he is. So the next challenge is to climb all the way up this mountain. There's Jake. All the way to the top where and are waiting for us. You know, it'll be fine. Are we high up? Yeah, we are. We are 3,070 meters up. There go our two intrepid explorers. The sun may be setting, but not our willingness to play with snow. We may have had a long walk up the mountain, but that whole time long inside this little solar oven was some solar cooked chicken.
Alex,
Dude,
look what we just cooked with the sun.
solar chicken. Whoop whoop.